Hey, let me show you a test of fingerprint sensor on Samsung S25. So as you can see, the sensor is built into the display, and I'm gonna make a few tries. I will try to unlock the phone from completely turn it off screen, like in this case. There we go. And also from a lock screen. So as you can see, it's pretty fast. We get also an animation. You can also turn off this animation if you don't like it, but the sensor is actually reliable. It works pretty fine. We got short animation that, some transition between the lock screen and the home screen. There we go. And that's how the sensor works. As you can see, it's reliable. It actually detects my fingerprint every time. Even when I'm gonna put it a little bit too... if I'm not gonna correct and align my finger with the fingerprint sensor, it will still unlock and partially detect my finger. So that's how it actually looks. If you find it useful, please leave a like and a comment below.